Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps to everyone on Snapchat at once. So if you want to send snaps to everyone at once on Snapchat and save time, I'll show you how to do that today on this video. So first things first, go onto your Snapchat. Now go to the chat feed. And once you're here, you are going to want to make a shortcut. So a shortcut is just a button that you can press and it will automatically select multiple people. So to make it, you can either click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click New Shortcut, or scroll up until these buttons appear, and then click on the plus icon, the third button, and then you'll be able to make another shortcut. So once you make a shortcut, choose as many people as you want. You can choose up to 200, I believe. Once you do that, you have to put in an emoji for your shortcut. The emoji does not matter at all, it's just your personal preference. So I'll just put in some random emoji, and then I'll create this shortcut. So once you do that, you can take a snap of whatever you want to send to everybody. And once you do it, click Send To. Now you should see a button in the top right corner that says Shortcuts. If you click on that, then you'll be able to edit all your shortcuts or make a new shortcut if you feel like it. And then to choose your shortcut to send it to all the people that are in the shortcut, click on the emoji in the top left corner. And then once you're here, click on the select button, which is underneath the create story. It's all the way to the right of the screen. And once you click that, it will select everybody in your shortcut. And then you can just send it to everybody, as you can see here. And it sends it to everybody all at once. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.